Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can send or attach a file on Messenger. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to send or attach a file on Messenger, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Messenger. And once you're on your Messenger, next, I want you to select the friend for which you want to send the file to. You can either simply tap on their name from your list of chats or search for them using the search bar at the top. And after selecting your friend, you will now be directed to your chat window. So to attach or send a file to your friend here, just tap this plus icon right here at the left corner. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the files option right here. I want you to select it. And then you will now be directed to your file manager where you will see all the files on your device. So just select the one you want to send. After selecting the file, just tap the select button at the top. And after that, there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, the file will now be sent successfully just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.